everyone. Today we'll draw Cristiano Ronaldo using the Loomis method in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Start with a circle for the cranium. Add a vertical line down the center and a horizontal line halfway for the eye level. Use the jawline guideline to shape his face. Ronaldo has a defined, strong jaw. Divide the lower half of the face into 3 sections: nose, lips, chin. Place the eyes on the horizontal guideline, leaving 1 eye width distance between them. Sketch the nose and mouth lightly. Keep the proportions clean. Add his eyebrows, sharp and slightly angled. Draw the eyes, nose, and mouth with more detail. For his hair, follow the Loomis method's head plane. Ronaldo's hair is short on the sides and voluminous on top. Add shading for depth, cheekbones, jaw, and under the nose. Refine the lines and erase extra guidelines. And there you have it, Cristiano Ronaldo.